everybody. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever in the world you're watching this from. I hope you're all doing absolutely well. There's a couple of things I just wanted to come here and talk to you all about that have been really important to me. But before I share, there's a song that's been on my heart that I'd like to sing with you all, or sing for you all. If that's okay. If you know the song, feel free to sing along. If you don't know it, just enjoy my performance. But I can't sing. I can't sing. So don't think this is a Messi Chimo. I'm not Messi Chimo. I just like to sing. Oh bata biokum. Oh bata umbuwa. Oh bata rabewanya gano rinwa. Oh bata ihadenma. Oh kechine menma e. I woke up, I had that song, I was like, you know what, that song's in my spirit, so I had to sing it for you all. And I think it really captures what I've been feeling for the past 24 hours. The gratitude I've been feeling towards God for stepping into this situation for the Oriental Brothers. Also my gratitude towards you all. There's no action that is little that you've done in my eyes. Whether it's just like, commenting, sharing, or even if you saw it and realized that they're still alive, that means so much to me. I launched this 24 hours ago, a little over 24 hours now, but can you believe we've raised over $1,000 to support the Oriental Brothers? Even non-monetary support, like I know a couple of people have reached out to me about seeing how we can help them acquire royalties to their songs, like little things like that. And it's beautiful. It's so beautiful to see. So in terms of other ways you can support, in addition to the GoFundMe that I will pin on my profile somewhere, I also got consents from their manager to open up a bank account to help them collect funds from people who maybe don't want to donate through the GoFundMe, but would rather just send to an account directly. So I will also pin those details as well, so you can show your support there. And yeah, very excited, very excited, and I'm just I'm shy now. That's it. Let me end this thing before I start getting shy. But I just want to say thank you. I could have done a generic post on my story, but I said no, I had to come here and show you how grateful I am. So here I am. Thank you all once again. Let's continue supporting Dan Sach and Aquila and the Oriental Brothers legacy, and yeah, let's continue to make them happy and give them their flowers, celebrate them while they are still here with us. All right, bye. God bless you all. See you.